The Quranic story of humanity, the honor given to humanity. Before we speak about honor, we must remember something. Honor does not begin on earth. It begins with Allah. Before humans were tested, they were recognized. Before they disobeyed, they were trusted. This episode is not about pride. It is about responsibility. Remain present. Honor comes only from Allah. Allah reminds humanity, وَلِلَّهِ الْإِزَّةُ وَلِرَسُولِهِ وَلِلْمُؤْمِنِينَ. And to Allah belongs all honor, and to His Messenger, and to the believers. Surah Al-Munafiqun 63:8. Honor is not owned, it is granted. And what Allah grants, He also questions. Human dignity is not accidental, it is intentional. But intention comes with accountability. The announcement to the angels. Before Adam walked the earth, Allah spoke to the angels. Inni ja'ilun fil ardi khalifa. Indeed, I will place upon the earth a successor. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:30. The angels did not reject, they did not rebel. They questioned with humility. They saw corruption, they saw bloodshed. But Allah replied, Inni a'lamu ma la ta'lamun. Indeed, I know that which you do not know. Honor was not given because humans are perfect. Honor was given because Allah knew what humans could become.
The command that defined human value. Then Allah issued a command that echoed through creation. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ. And when we said to the angels, prostrate to Adam. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:34. This was not worship, it was obedience, it was recognition. Recognition that Allah chooses whom He wills. Every angel obeyed, without delay, without condition. Honor was sealed by obedience to Allah. Honor is not superiority. Adam did not ask for this honor. He did not demand it. He did not claim it. It was given. This teaches us something essential. True honor does not announce itself. It submits. And when honor is misunderstood, it becomes arrogance. Knowledge as the reason for honor. Allah then revealed the reason. وَعَلَّمَ آدَمَ الْأَسْمَاءَ كُلَّهَا. And He taught Adam the names of all things. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:31. Not strength, not beauty, not immortality, knowledge. But knowledge was not given to dominate. It was given as amana, a trust. Knowledge without humility. When Allah asked the angels, they admitted their limits. Subhanaka la ilma lana illa ma 'allamtana. Glory be to you, we have no knowledge except what you have taught us. Surah Al-Baqarah 2:32. From the very beginning, honor was tied to humility. Knowledge without humility leads to destruction. Knowledge with submission leads to elevation. A warning hidden in the honor. Not everyone accepted this honor. One knew, one refused. Pride entered, and honor was lost. Honor is not permanent without obedience. This law has never changed.
Human choice and divine trust. Angels obey without desire. They do not hesitate. They do not struggle. Humans are different. They are honored because they are trusted. Trusted with choice. Choice makes obedience meaningful. Without choice, there is no test. Without test, there is no growth. This is why humanity was honored before being tested. Falling does not erase honor. Adam was honored, and Adam fell. This fall did not surprise Allah, because the test was never about perfection. Honor was not removed because of the mistake. Honor was preserved because of repentance. Adam returned, and Allah accepted. This is not weakness. This is the design. Returning is part of human nature. Allah created humans knowing they would forget, knowing they would err. And Allah opened the door before they ever fell. Returning to Allah is not failure. It is fulfillment. This is why despair is forbidden, because mercy was written before the test began. Honor and responsibility walk together. Allah honored humanity, but He did not remove accountability. Every honor comes with responsibility. Knowledge will be questioned. Choice will be questioned. Actions will be questioned. Honor is not a shield from judgment. It is a reason for it.
The most honored are the most humble. Allah clarifies honor clearly. Inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. Indeed, the most honored of you in the sight of Allah is the most righteous of you. Surah Al-Hujurat 49:13. Not knowledge alone, not position, not lineage, taqwa, awareness of Allah. This is the scale. When honor is forgotten, when humans forget Allah, they forget themselves. Honor becomes ego. Knowledge becomes pride. This is how honor collapses. Not suddenly, but quietly, until return feels distant. The door is still open. Before judgment, Allah reminds humanity, not with anger, but with mercy. No matter how far one has fallen, return is still possible. Because honor is not restored by denial. It is restored by return. Transition into mercy. Honor brought responsibility. Responsibility brought test. The test revealed weakness, and weakness invites mercy. This is not the end. This is the return. Allah's mercy is still open. Before the final judgment, Allah reminds humanity, not with a threat, but with mercy. قُلْ يَا عِبَادِيَ الَّذِينَ أَسْرَفُوا عَلَى أَنفُسِهِمْ لَا تَقْنَطُوا مِنْ رَحْمَةِ اللَّهِ. Say, O my servants who have transgressed against themselves, do not despair of the mercy of Allah. Surah Az-Zumar 39:53. No matter how far one has fallen, the door is still open. As long as you breathe, return is possible. Repentance is not weakness, it is a return, and return is the path of honor. Paradise and the final success. Allah defines success clearly, not by human standards, not by worldly measures, but by the final outcome. فَمَنْ زُحْزِحَ عَنِ النَّارِ وَأُدْخِلَ الْجَنَّةَ فَقَدْ فَازَ. Whoever is removed from the fire and admitted to paradise has truly succeeded. Surah Al-Imran 3:185. Not wealth, not fame, not numbers. Paradise. This is the honor that never fades.